The question is, why is my service the last to return after an outage? My name is Wayde Dottin. I am a Distribution Supervisor at the Barbados Southern Power Company Limited. Let's get into it. The real question is, how does service restoration work? When we have a large-scale event or a natural disaster, we try to restore supply to our critical customers first. Those customers being hospitals, the BWA, the air and seaport, and to some extent the telecoms. As long as our infrastructure is in place and they do not have any damage to their infrastructure, we try to get them on first. However, for an everyday event where you may see your supply is off, but your neighbor's supply is on, you may be feeding from the same circuit or feeder. However, you may be feeding from two different transformers. Therefore, your neighbor's transformer and supply will be on, and your transformer and your supply may be off because of some service disruption, whether it be an accident or maybe hardware malfunction.